Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you one of the most powerful features of Java streams, which is filtering collection elements. Filtering is an important aspect of data processing, and Java streams provide an easy and efficient way to filter data. With this knowledge, you will be able to select only the elements you need from a collection and process them in a way that suits your needs. So get ready to take your Java skill to the next level as I guide you through the process of filtering collection elements using Java streams. So let us get started. Okay, I have two examples that I want to discuss in this video. Those are, so first one, I have a collection of integers and I need to find out the even numbers. Okay, the second problem is I have a list of fruits and I need to filter content or fruits that only the length of those fruits is more than 5, I mean the characters. Okay, so I have two problems and I'm going to solve this by using Java stream filter. Okay, so let me go to the Eclipse and then create the project. All right, so create new project, stream filter demo. Okay, the project is created now. New not package, but I need to create a class, filter demo. Okay, I need a main method. Okay, so my class and main method is ready. Okay, so I have a already let me copy this, because so what it says, I need to import arrays. Also I need to import, so I this can be done directly from the Eclipse. Control Shift O. Okay, so if I press Control Shift O, then those will be automatically imported. Okay, now I have a list of numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, and I need to filter content from the numbers. I mean, I need to keep only the even the even numbers. Okay, so what is the logic of even numbers? A number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. For example, 1 is not even because we cannot divide 1 by 2. 2 can be divided by 2, so this is even number. Similarly, 3 cannot be divided by 2, so this is not even number. Okay, so let me first, what I need to create, I need to create a stream from numbers. Okay, I have a numbers, then see this method we need to use to get the stream. Okay, next I need to filter out content. Okay, remember one thing, so Eclipse was saying something, see, predicate. So I'll be talking about the predicate later. Okay, now let me, so whenever I use this filters, I got the stream, then filter. So what will happen, this method, it will iterate all the elements one by one. So in each iteration, say that I'm getting element and I can give any name of that element, say that element is E. Okay, then I'm going to create a lambda expression here. Okay, lambda function. So in each iteration I'll get element, and E I need to check whether is even or not. Okay, so how can I check that? E. Okay, so what I'm saying, e should be divided by 2. So this is modulus operator, so we are dividing by 2, and after that if the remainder is 0, that means if this condition is satisfied, then keep that element in this stream, otherwise discard it. No need to keep that element inside this. Okay, so we got it, this one. Now this is the only thing that we need to this is a very simple and very concise way to write lambda expression. Okay, say that after filtering what will happen. Okay, we'll have again stream. Okay, and after that we need to print those elements. Okay, so what we can write for each. Okay, system dot out ln. Okay, all right. Now if I compile this, I mean execute this code, what it should display, if everything is good, then it should display 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, let me execute. Do you see 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10? That's cool, right? Okay, another thing that I want to add here. So inside this filter method, what we have added here, so this is called predicate. Predicate is nothing but okay, there is a definition for predicate. So whenever you will hear the term predicate, so you have to know that that is a kind of function that only returns either true or false. In Java, a predicate is a functional interface that defines a single abstract method called test that takes an object as input and returns a Boolean value indicating whether the input satisfies some specified criteria. Predicates are commonly used in Java 8 and later to represent Boolean valued functions, and can be combined, composed and manipulated using the functional programming construct such as lambdas and streams. Okay, so we have seen that we have provided a lambda function here. Okay, so same thing can be used using a little bit different way. Okay, so how can I do that? This is what, okay, you can see. So predicate, okay, so what it takes as an input, it takes integer. Okay, let me import predicate, then so this is our predicate. What it does, it takes an input as integer as input and checks whether that is even number or not. Okay, now if I pass this thing here, it will be accepted, right? Okay, now let me execute this program again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so this is the first example. Now second one is this one. I have a list of fruits and I need to filter out the fruits that is only, the length of characters is more than 5. How can I do that? So let me take this one. Okay, and say that we fruit list. Okay, so with this I need what? I need a stream. Then what is that? After that, I need filter out. Filter, what should be the condition? So again, this method filter, what it will do, it will take the element from the list one by one, and if I get, say that I'm giving the name of that element is fruit. Okay, fruit length greater than 5. Okay, so after that, what I'll do, I'll print it. Okay, now, okay, so for the first one is this one. Let me run this. Do you see that? Banana, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Cherry, 1 2 3 4 5 6. And this one is also more than 5. Okay, so we have seen two examples, and first one is finding the even number, and second one find word or fruit which whose length, characters length, is more than 5. So how many number of codes that we have written is very less. So without if you write a program without using Java Stream, you might have to write so many codes. Okay, so this way our code will be very concise and very compact. Okay, so in this video, what we have talked about, we have talked about only the filter operation in a stream. Okay, there are a lot of other operations, so I'm going to cover all those operations in later videos. So for today's video, that's it for today. I hope that you found this video useful, and please stay tuned for the next video. I'll cover all the operations of stream. See you in the next video. And another point, if you have any kind of questions about stream or any Java related question, then you can post your question in the comment section, and I would be happy to answer those questions. All right, see you in the next.